Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather beautiful 1973 Citroen DS23 Pallas 5-speed manual that you can see lurking behind me here. Original right-hand drive car. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, so look around this beautiful 1973 Citroen DS23 5-speed carburettor model. Finished in Citroen red with two-tone red and white interior. Absolutely gorgeous, this one. I love DS's, and this is one of the best ones I've had. It really is. It's an original UK right-hand drive example. Just come out of a quite extensive restoration, finished last year I think. And just really rather lovely. It's a DS23 Pallas, so it's got the proper Pallas spec with the big comfy seats and everything. And she's just in super condition and drives absolutely beautifully. Try and avoid getting my shadow in the video. Doesn't look like I'll be able to manage that, unfortunately. Never mind. Right, let's walk around and pick out some good bits and bad bits. I really can't see much in the way of bad bits. What have we got? Paint, I don't know quite when it was painted. I think it was painted about 3 or 4 years ago. I have to go through the history for that, but it's in very good shape all round. I think the only thing I can find is a very slight pimple on the edge of the bonnet, just there. You may even not be able to see it on the video. Get my shadow out of the way. Yeah, just there. That really is about it as far as I can see. It's all nice around the front end. A few marks on the stainless steel bumpers, including, oh no, that's just a bit of dirt, that's fine. I thought it was a mark. But looking down the near side, she's as straight as they come down there. That is just a bit of dirt again. We've just been out for a little drive in it. Show you a little bit of the arches. It's had, as part of the restoration last year, it had the sills done, it had the roof removed and all properly resealed. The roofs on these are fiberglass, incidentally. A lot of work done to it. Door skins, all sorts of things. Super there. Interior wise, it's obviously been retrimmed at some point in its life because it's just too good to be the original, but we have got substantial history with it, in fairness, going back to about 1980 I think. But absolutely super in here. Obviously the carpets are all nice and new as well. The only alteration inside, it's got an aftermarket water temperature gauge. Obviously the originals must have packed up at some point. Headlining is all very nice, as you can see. Just fantastic in there. Move on to the near side rear door. Bit of pitting on these near side rear door handles. I think a couple of them are new, but this one certainly, and it's a little bit pitted here and there. And very nice in there as well. Oh, shut that door properly. So, carrying on round, you just got to love some of the features on these. They look beautiful and drive beautifully as well. It's been debadged, this one, although it is actually a DS23. And looking down the offside, again, looks absolutely straight. When these came out in 1955, they must have been an absolute revelation. Side rear door is all nice. Is that just a little speck of dirt down there? Yeah. And in here, slightly stained. This is stainless steel trim here. This is slightly stained up here, but considering it's, what, 52 years old, I think that's excusable. Great in there as well. Door card and everything. We'll just have a look at the driver's door and the offside front wing. All good. And then inside here, yeah, there's your aftermarket temperature gauge down there. Correct 3-dial dash and everything. It's just beautiful, really is. So there we have it. I mean, I absolutely love it. I hope you do too. Won't be sorry if this hangs around for a while, because I love driving it. I always do like driving these. Just a great car. Anyway, my name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com, for any more information.